This is the biggest conundrums in these WordPress issues. Right after finished WordPress installing, when we were trying to install any large size theme or plugin, then we get this issue because their upload max file size is not enough allocated. So for that you don't need to stress anymore about it. I will show you how to fix this issue. So guys, for fix this issue we have to log into our cPanel hosting panel. So I think you may have also cPanel or hosting panel access. So let's log into our hosting panel and fix this issue. Right after logging to our hosting panel, we have to find out the option. Its name is MultiPHP editor. So for that, we have to scroll down toward to the bottom. So let's find it here. Here it is MultiPHP editor. Just click on it. And here below the title we are being asked to select the domain, where under the domain we have installed our WordPress. So now I'm going to select the domain. I got my subdomain here. You also select your domain, where under the domain you have installed your WordPress. So do the same thing as like me, and here we have to increase the number. So here we can see only 90, we will increase it 300, and also it will be 300, and memory limit we will increase 256, and post max size will be 256. And at the last time we have to increase upload max file size 256. Sorry, we maybe did a little mistake. That is memory limit we have assigned here 256. We should be give 300 here. Okay, then right now just click on this apply button. Okay, it's set. Okay, then we have been completed the task here. Right now we will get back to our WordPress admin panel, and from here we will try to install large size plugin or themes. Let's go. From here we have to select the plugin or theme that we would like to install here. So just simply click on it and select the file. I would like to install Elementor Pro, premium version. So for that I have selected this, and let's open, and just simply click on install now button. Wow, nicely it has been installed in our admin panel. Right now we will activate this plugin. So for that, active plugin button, click on it.